Apply this mindset and way of thinking to any area of your life. If you have a business or you go to the same job every day, we are often taught to create a framework, which is absolutely fine. However, what we can unconsciously do is then fence ourselves in, and we never make growth or change. People will do this in their lives as well by visiting the same restaurants, the same places, the same holiday resorts. We unconsciously fence ourselves into what we've enjoyed or what we find comfortable. If you want to upgrade and make rapid change or growth, then be prepared to venture into uncharted territory, new fields, and you never know, you might be the very first person in that field. If this video helps you in any way, do like, share, or comment in the box below. Have a wonderful day. Wishing you every success. God bless.